Welcome to electrodynamics class. In this class we will discuss electromagnetic wave equation in free space. Electromagnetic wave equation in free space. So from Maxwell electromagnetic wave equation in free space. From Maxwell equations, what are Maxwell equations? We discussed Maxwell equations in differential form and integral form. From Maxwell equations, differential form of Maxwell first equation, divergence E is equal to rho by epsilon naught divergence B is equal to 0, curl E is equal to minus dou B by dou T, curl H is equal to curl H or curl B. Curl B is equal to mu naught into J plus ZD అని రాసుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే కర్ల్ H is equal to or కర్ల్ H is equal to J plus ZD అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. J plus ZD. Okay, so because H is equal to B by mu naught అనమాట. Since H is equal to B by mu naught kabatti, so curl B is equal to mu naught into J plus ZD or curl H equal to J plus ZD. Okay, here you have to calculate the wave equation in free space. That is the condition here, free space. In free space, charge density and current density, what are the values for free space? Those values are 0. So that means rho is equal to 0 and J is equal to 0. Those are the conditions. Right. So rho equal to 0, J equal to 0. Therefore, first one, divergence E is equal to rho by epsilon naught. Rho 0, that means 0. Divergence B is equal to 0. curl E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. Curl B is equal to mu naught into J plus ZE, J0 then ZE. Right. So from this equation, curl E is equal to minus dou B by dou T, taking curl on both sides. Taking curl applies on this equation, that means del cross, curl means del cross E is equal to del cross minus dou B by dou T. Right. So del cross minus dou B by dou T means curl B. Del cross E is equal to minus dou by dou T of del cross B, that means curl B, that is equal to minus dou by dou T of curl B means curl B is equal to anta mu naught by 4 pi. So mu naught into JD, mu naught into JD. Right. Del cross E. Del cross E means del into del dot E minus del dot del E is equal to mu naught into dou by dou T of JD, that is equal to mu naught into dou by dou T of ZD means epsilon naught into E, mu naught into epsilon naught into dou E by dou T. Mu naught into JD, dou E by dou T. Okay, right. Right. Then del dot E minus del dot del E is equal to minus mu naught epsilon naught into is equal to minus dou by dou T of mu naught epsilon naught into dou E by dou T. Right. Here del of del dot E value is equal to 0 because del dot E is equal to 0 from equation 1. del dot E is equal to 0 minus del square E is equal to minus mu naught epsilon naught into dou square E by dou t square. So dou square E is equal to mu naught epsilon naught into dou square E by dou t square. Similarly, for magnetic field, the E for electric field, B for magnetic field, del square B is equal to mu naught epsilon naught into dou square B by dou t square. These two equations represents electromagnetic waves in free space. So these two equations are compared with general wave equation, that is del square y is equal to 1 by v square into dou square y by dou t square. So comparison, this is the general form of wave equation. Del square y. So from this equation, one by v square is equal to mu naught epsilon naught, v square equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught, that is equal to 1, v is equal to 1 by root mu naught epsilon naught. So here mu naught is the constant, permeability 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. Epsilon naught is equal to 8.542 into 10 power minus 12 farad per ampere meter. Substitute these equations in this and calculate the final value, that T is similar to equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So then this is equal to velocity of light. So then the electromagnetic wave velocity is equal to velocity of light in free space. Okay, that is electromagnetic wave in free space. Okay, thank you.